Hey guys, welcome back to another adventure. This time we're headed to Chile. We check out the Virgin of the Immaculate Conception overlooking Santiago, explore the beaches and floral clock of Viña del Mar, and wander through the colorful hills of Valparaíso. Come along for the ride, you won't want to miss this one. First, I board my flight alone because Sammy wanted to get her Delta rewards instead of fly with me. But it's okay, because now we're in Chile. I arrive in Chile first and am welcomed by Sammy's dad, brother, and his family. We get together and wait for Sammy to get her luggage before greeting her as she walks out.
¿Y el Dragon Ball?
Está en modo
Santiago, Chile.
After greeting Sammy, we head back to Francisco's place in Maipú area of Santiago. The view from there was incredible, the towering Andes Mountains stretching across the horizon. We dropped off our things and set out to find some food. Sammy's family is from Venezuela, so we start the trip with some authentic Venezuelan food. Arepas, cachapas, papelón, and polar to wash it all down. Next, we made our way to the Oasis Station, the starting point of the Metropolitan Park Cableway, or Teleférico de Santiago. It's located in the heart of Santiago and takes you up San Cristobal Hill, one of the city's most iconic landmarks. We hopped on the cable car and slowly ascended, taking in sweeping views of the city surrounded by the Andes.
La puerta cierra sola.
Mira el costanero allá.
Mano, tengo fe.
Mano, tengo fe. Mano, tengo fe.
Papá, no te agarres de la puerta, no te agarres de la puerta.
¿Cuándo fue?
No, igual. Qué rico.
No, ya cagamos.
At the top of the San Cristobal Hill stands the Virgin de la Inmaculada Concepción, or the Virgin of the Immaculate Conception, a 14-meter tall statue that overlooks the entire city. It's a really peaceful spot, with a small chapel and viewing terrace where people can come and enjoy the view. From up here, you can see the full scope of Santiago, a sprawling city nestled between the Andes and the Chilean coastal range. The contrast between the modern skyscrapers and the historic neighborhoods really shows the city's vibrant mix of old and new. It's one of the best places to truly get a sense of Santiago's size, energy, and beauty. As the sun finally dipped behind the mountains, casting a pink glow over the city, we took one last look and head down the cable cars back to Francisco's place. The next morning, we started our day with church. Inside, we were surprised to find a special mass taking place, a ritual honoring the people of Easter Island. With traditional music, this statue, and powerful spiritual energy that filled the space. The name of the church is Templo Votivo de Maipú. It is located just outside the center of Santiago. This modern-style chapel was built to commemorate Chile's independence and stands on the historic site of the Battle of Maipú, where Chile secured its freedom. The temple's towering design and wide-open interior gives it a unique presence. It feels more like a monument than just a church. After soaking in the atmosphere and learning a bit about its history, we hit the road and head west towards the coast, ready to explore Viña del Mar and the colorful hills of Valparaíso. We arrived in Viña del Mar, a beautiful coastal town in Chile known for its beaches, gardens, and relaxed vibe. The ocean breeze and palm trees gave the city a completely different energy from Santiago. Our first stop was the famous Reloj de Flores, the floral clock that sits on the edge of the beach. It's a fully functioning clock made entirely of flowers. It's one of the most iconic landmarks in the city.
How about the Mandalorian?
Gabe, yeah. After checking out the clock, we took a short walk over to the beach. We spent some time relaxing by the shore, taking in the view of the Pacific, letting the ocean breeze recharge us before heading to our next stop. Viña del Mar is renowned for its events, particularly the Viña del Mar International Song Festival, held every year in February. This festival is one of the oldest and most prestigious music events in Latin America, attracting artists from all around the world. After soaking in the sights and sounds of Viña del Mar, we hit the road and head to Valparaíso, ready to explore its colorful streets and vibrant culture. We were searching through the city of Valparaíso looking for something to eat. What I didn't know was how awesome this city was. There was live music on every corner, street vendors selling arts, crafts, souvenirs, and breathtaking views around every single corner. As we searched for a place to eat, we couldn't help but get completely swept away by the beautiful colors, bright murals, painted staircases, and houses in every shade imaginable, all set against the backdrop of the ocean. We find a place to eat, take a seat, grab a drink, and cheers to an amazing day as we take in these gorgeous views. Valparaíso is one of Chile's most iconic port cities. It's once known as the Jewel of the Pacific before the Panama Canal stole its thunder. And now, enjoy the beautiful views of Valparaíso. We enjoyed a great day on the coast of Chile, met some new friends, and watched the sunset before heading back home to Santiago. Back in Santiago, we head to the city center to explore more of its heart and history. First, we catch a glimpse of the tallest building in the city, the Gran Torre Santiago, a massive skyscraper that stands out against the skyline. From there, we make our way to the financial district, sometimes called Sanhattan, Santiago's version of Wall Street, wandering through the beautiful architecture. We passed lively street performers and a rock-faced mural that was pretty cool. We then find the Plaza de Armas with its classic columns and detailed carvings. We finally step inside the Metropolitan Cathedral of Santiago. With colorful murals and golden altars, this was an absolutely beautiful piece of history. Our last stop in Santiago was Castillo Hidalgo, perched on Cerro Santa Lucia, a small hill right in the center of the city. The castle itself is full of charm, with stone walls, archways, and staircases. It feels something right out of a history book. As we climbed higher, we were treated with some of the best panoramic views of Santiago, with the Andes stretching out in the distance. Thanks for joining me on my adventure to Chile. It was awesome to check this country off the list. It was also great to see some of my new family members. If you guys enjoyed this video, check out my page for some more content similar to this one.